Welcome to One Day Mathematica, where you can learn Mathematica right today. Through this course, you'll gain a strong understanding of Mathematica. Whether you are a beginner or you want to level up your basic knowledge, this course can help you a lot. In this course, there are no downloads or subscriptions. I'll guide you through getting a free access to Mathematica, and starting from basics, we will go towards solving complex problems. We'll cover everything from syntax, Mathematica's inbuilt functions, to solving simultaneous equations, differentiation, integration, 2D plotting, 3D plotting, matrices, and so much. Each lecture includes well-designed quizzes and practice problems to solidify your knowledge. And we complete the course with an excellent project on differential equations. This course is designed to be straightforward and efficient, where you will learn by doing and obtain practical skills in just one day. I'm excited to have you on board, and I will see you in the lectures.